What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be playing Animal Rivals. What? In Animal Rivals. In Animal Rivals, we're going to be playing... we're going to be playing 2v2s, 3v3s, and 1v1s, and even ranked, maybe. So, we're going to be asking people what loadout should I use. And, yeah, we're going to be playing with that. So, let's get right into it. We're going to go into a public. And I'm going to ask. No way.
Yes.
Apex Major. You. Do you have a mic? Do you have a mic?
Yeah.
What loadout should I use?
RPG, Eagle, pistol.
I don't have RPG. What else then RPG?
Okay, what else? AR.
Okay. Thank you. Alright. So he said we're doing AR. So pistol. 1 second. Pistol. Deagle and pistol. Let me switch that for this. And this is the loadout right now. So let's see if we can cook. Or are we gonna start? Actually, I'm gonna do first some rank.
How do they know my IP address? What do you mean they made? Wait, what? They made way more. They made honey. They made raspberry. They made straw.
Alright.
I swear they just found my IP address somehow. I don't know.
You were right beside me, bro. I was right behind you. You were in my lobby.
They found my IP address, bro. They found my IP address.
You were in my lobby.
Match starting. Round starting.
Oh, I forgot. I gotta see if we can cook or something. Oh yeah, he just missed all his shots. For real. Yeah, we actually might cook unless he pulls out some other guns.
Round
He
starting.
never walked in before. Well. Oh damn. Yeah, mini pistol is not the win. We're gonna stick with AR for the first
Round
couple
starting.
rounds. Bro, nah. Why is he using auto shotgun? Why is he pulling out auto shotgun? Why? What?
Round starting.
This kid is actually a bum, bro. I'm just joking. He's not gonna find me. Yeah, bro! He's spamming. I'm just joking. I don't want to be mean, bro. I'm just saying that. Why he's...
Round starting.
Holy shoot. Dude, I have an idea. I have the best idea. This actually might work.
Round
If this
starting.
works, you guys have to sub. Oh yeah? Just like that? GG's, I need to ask you one thing. What loadout should I use?
Did you do mic band?
What loadout should I use?
So first, use AR.
Yeah?
Then when they get close, use auto shotgun.
Yeah.
Actually, use auto shotgun when they're close or when they're low health.
Yeah, okay. This and auto shotgun, yeah.
And then sticky bomb.
I don't have sticky bomb. I have normal grenade.
Bomb. Use grenade and then use machete.
Yeah, alright, thank you.
Does anybody have the color pink? No, but I can buy it.
Alright, boys. Just the loadout he gave us. Alright, so let's see if this is selling or just. Alright, let me just fix this.
Who has a knife? Alright, friendly. Speaking of which,
Alright, we're gonna do. No.
yeah, how do you go in there? How do you guys go in there?
Why can't he go in? Why can't he go in? That's weird. It's so glitchy. There's so many people on the server.
Oh god. Please go easy.
Hi. Why should I go easy when you have this? You have this, bro. You have the space bundle. And you have the aqua bundle. You have both. You don't have.
Match starting.
He's a PTL.
Round starting.
But I don't want to be mean. He's probably good. If he has auto shotgun. He said to use auto shotgun close up, so I did. Yeah, I can't go easy.
Round starting.
Bro, I can't go easy, but I can like try to not use auto shotgun. Oh, nice. Do you want, since you have sniper, bro, this is fair. I mean,
Round starting.
I don't want to go easy. I just want to play. Yo, this guy's actually good. Sometimes, yeah. It's only because I'm bad.
Round starting.
I'm just gonna. Alright, time to cook. Oh shoot. Dang, if I died, I'm actually bad. Yeah, I'm actually gonna try now.
Round starting.
My aim. Now at this point, I'm spamming auto shotgun. Bro, I wish I could. Bro, I'm making a video right now. I'm making a video and it's a part of the challenge. Someone told me to use auto shotgun. Right now, I'm actually gonna try now. I forgot that I had to try. He just said sniper. I just have to stay away. Oh wait, I can move. Oh, yo! If I die, I was trying to get up. I was trying to get the right spot. I'm gonna go this way.
Round starting.
I have an idea. Holy shoot! Oh my god! Yo, nice.
Hold on. You want
a rematch?
Okay.
Oh, you can't rematch. Alright, good job, bro. You're actually really good with sniper. Alright, bye.
Just not in rank, because I really don't want to lose my rank.
Okay, bye. That kid was actually good. Alright, I'm gonna ask someone else. The ass. This silverback 2. Alright. He doesn't have a mic. See someone who has a mic. So glitchy. Oh my god, there's so many people in this server.
Money either, that's what I'm asking. I only have $9 and 89 cents. I can't get it.
Can somebody give me a loadout? Can anyone give me a loadout?
No, you piggy!
Can somebody give me a loadout?
I don't want to get money. I like that. Move it, move it. I like that. Move it, move it.
Bro, it's
I
so
like that. Move it.
Bro, I need to get out of here.
You can't put your hands
Wait a minute, I get back out. I hope there's not any people. Yo, Titan, can you give me a loadout? Can you give me a loadout? Do you have a mic?
Also, this place be glitching. Like, what the hell?
Yo, Titan, not you. Could you give me a loadout real quick?
What the hell is going on here? I know, join me. Bro, you're just...
Yo, Titan, you. Could you give me a loadout?
No, I was just fixing my VR.
Could
So,
you give... Yeah.
Deagle, katana, mini
One
pistol, and sticky grenade.
I don't have katana or sticky grenade. Wait, say it again. Say the loadout again.
Katana, sticky grenade, deagle, and mini pistol.
Alright. I don't have katana. I could use a different melee. Machete, how about machete? I don't have sticky
That's
grenade.
okay.
Alright, could I use... Can you see this? Can you see this?
No,
Okay, it's the normal grenade. Can I use that?
you can use that.
Alright, thank you. Thank you for the loadout.
Yep.
Alright, that guy gave me a decent loadout. Alright, I'm gonna try to win. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm gonna vote for this real quick.
You guys want to do private?
No,
You guys want to do...
I'll check it out.
You guys want to do private? Like, where us four just do...
Alright. I'm gonna try to get a decent teammate, and that's all.
Pistol only.
This
I'm
pistol?
joking.
This... Oh,
Oh,
no
just
pistol?
pistol only. Any pistol.
Yo, bro, we were just talking. Can we do this map? Can we do
Pistol
that map?
only.
Alright, actually, let's do Branch Arena. Can we do Branch Arena?
Guys, pistol only.
Alright, can we do Branch Arena? Please be Branch. Yes! Okay. Okay. I'm gonna use my mic since I have a teammate.
Pistol only.
Alright.
Round starting.
Oh, shoot. Does he have sniper?
No, you can only use pistol.
Gang, it's pistol only.
Oh, I didn't know. My bad.
I love mini pistol, bro.
Round starting.
So tiny, that's why. Bro, why are you still using that?
I thought I keep on using my pistol.
I was 40 HP, bro.
Pistol used to be in my sniper.
Teammate, I have so much, probably more damage than you. Yeah. Because I killed them both.
Because you keep going in.
Nah, not to be mean. Bro, he just pulled out AR. Oh, shoot. No damage. No! Teammate. I thought I had reload. He's right here. He went up. Yeah.
In the air.
Nice job. Bro, this is perfect for the loadout he gave me.
I hate maps.
Round starting.
But you darn, I hate how I had maps.
Didn't we agree on pistol only?
Yeah. Why is he using other guns?
I don't know.
He's
He
gonna play
doesn't.
like that. I'm gonna play like that. It's a pistol only. Why are you using guns? They're not pistols.
No!
Maybe because I don't want to use
Teammate, you died right away, bro.
my weapon.
Teammate, you died right away, but
Yeah.
it's good. It's fine.
Okay, so the ninja guy, we don't use. See, we on you. We use. This guy we use pistol only. But the other guy we like don't use pistol only.
Teammate, bro. You died again?
Yeah.
You died first last round, bro.
Are you talking
You know
to
what?
me?
Round starting.
Bro, I'm sorry. I don't want to be mean or anything. Teammate, no! Teammate, he's low. He's really low. Bro!
No, I'm not. I thought I'm low.
Teammate, how you keep on dying? Bro, do you want, I'm gonna stop rushing up there.
I got sniped.
Bro!
This kid's not sniper.
Are you not a Titan Z?
I am.
Or Tyrannosaurus? Isn't that better or something?
I killed one. Come on, it's just him.
Yeah, I can kill the one guy with the sniper.
He's over here. That sniper. Be
67, he's cooked.
Careful. 67.
No! Bro! GG's. Guys, want to do a rematch? Branch Arena's not really my map, though. That's the thing. Y'all know small arena's mine. Could we do small arena now? Can we switch up the maps, you know? Oh, teammate, what loadout should I use? Can you tell me real quick?
I don't care.
This is a good loadout.
I don't have that. Okay, I guess we're gonna do the same loadout. Because my teammate doesn't care.
Match starting. Round starting.
You don't have to be so mean, bro. Oh my god. This is what I hate about.
Now he just caught.
Got him.
Let's go.
Round starting.
Eagle spammer.
Oh my god.
Not my
Teammate,
fault.
he's not a deagle spammer.
I got sniped. I can't.
Just
I'm
play the
sorry.
game, bro.
I got sniped.
Stop being mean.
Round starting.
I swear if he dies again.
Yes. Come on.
Bro, there's two of them. There's two, okay?
I almost killed one.
What are you saying there?
Round starting.
I don't know what to use.
Fuck! Yes, I killed one! Just kill the other. He's down here. I actually killed one. Bro. He's up here. He's down here. He's right there. Why are you using wrist rifle?
It was actually pretty good. It does like 70 a shot if I hit it.
Yeah, I got the best idea. My
Round
ideas are
start.
insane. Watch, he comes. He gets blown up by my balloon. And then he dies. Yes! Let's go, teammate. Now you're cooking. My strats are insane. That's all.
Round starting.
Just gonna
I
bounce.
start staying here.
Yes! The deagle's insane.
He tried using my burst rifle, bro.
Well,
Bro tried using burst
for him,
rifle
that
on me.
kinda didn't work out. Did it now? Yes! Bro! Bro, we stole the streak!
Yeah.
GG's. I don't want to be mean. I'm sorry. I don't mean it like that. Oh, shoot. I know.
We need two people over here. We need,
Well, I had some hackers in my server.
we need one. We need.
Alright, guys.
Come on.
Bye. And we're gonna. Yeah, so, bye.
Hey, run sniper only? Anybody trying to run sniper? Sniper only?